Welcome to my snippet tutorial on how to resize your workspace inside of Canva. So if you have Canva Pro, then whatever you're working on, all you need to do is go up here and hit the resize button. And you can always tell when something is the Pro version because it will have this little crown beside it. So this particular image size that I'm working on was set for a Pinterest pin of 1,000 by 1,500 pixels. But let's say I want to make it a 12 by 16, and you can put in the actual size. So let's say I want to make it a 12 by 16. All I have to do is hit the copy and resize, or I could just tell it to resize, and you guys see it automatically change the size of the document. So sometimes you may still have to go into the document and, of course, make some changes to the the size of the stuff you're working on. Otherwise, you're good to go. Now, if you happen to not have Canva Pro and you are using the basic version, what you want to do is go into File, click on Create New Design, and put in custom size, and let's select 8.5 by 11. It is going to create a brand new page for you. However, you have to go back to the page you were working on, and you're going to have to copy the information off of that page. And then you can go in here and paste it. And again, you may need to go in and resize because sometimes depending on the size of what you were originally working on, it could be this small. And now you have an 8 by 10 page or an 8 by 11 page. You need to resize the stuff that is on here. What I normally see is that if I am working in, say, to give you guys an example real quick, if I was working on, let's say I was working on this, and because I'm in Canva Pro and I wanted to resize this to, let's change it to pixels and let's change it to 1080. Say I like the design, but I want to use the design in Instagram. And I tell it to resize. See, it made it wider, but now I would still need to go in here and probably tweak it in order to make it. And sometimes it could be a subtle tweak. It doesn't have to be anything major. But that is basically how you go in and resize the workspace that you are working on.